Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn about Windows 11 new features and secrets. Guys, as you know, Microsoft has launched its new flavor Windows 11, which has very beautiful GUI and very amazing features as compared to other previous versions. So the first one is themes and personalizations. As you are looking that Windows has changed, Microsoft has changed its GUI completely. The icon at the center of taskbar like MacBook and the start menu has completely changed. So we will discuss thoroughly the differences and changes in Windows 11. Windows 11 is very portable and amazing for mobile devices also, so you can install on your personal assistant and on your mobile devices. So first technique is themes and personalizations. In Windows 11 you can have multiple and amazing themes, very classic and beautiful as you are looking. So we are moving to personalize. Multiple options have been added in current themes and display settings. So these are our themes. You can install multiple alternative themes. You can go for simple one. This is classic. So GUI has completely changed. You can change the background, next desktop background. You can install multiple another themes which you want to apply. So I have changed into my previous theme. You can change the background, lock screen mode, and Windows has also changed the starting sound of Windows 11. You can change the fonts which you could not change in Windows 10. So in this way you can personalize and customize your desktop and make your desktop more attractive and simple. So the next option is new taskbar with widgets and chat option. As you are observing that Microsoft has changed its taskbar, its style and more like mobile devices and Mac OS. So the icons and start menu is in center of taskbar. You can revert into left side. We will learn how you can revert. So the next you have amazing widgets with news and feedbacks. You can customize for your favorite news channels, like I have this one. So first of all we are going to see the start menu. This is start menu, completely changed. Here are pinned options and apps, then recommended apps for you which you are currently using or which you are going to more recently used. You can go into all apps. This is completely changed. Here are all software and apps. You can go back. So this is start menu. This one is for shutdown and power option. Next change is widgets. On left side you have widgets. weather like news, you can customize it. Also how to revert into left side, the icons in left side, go into taskbar setting. Here is options, taskbar kernel overflow, behavior. You can check the multiple options which are added for taskbar. So taskbar alignment, this is center, you can change into left side like previous legacy Windows versions. So I like in center, so I will reselect it into center mode. In this way you can customize your taskbar. So the next separate option which is different, that is search. You can search here anything, like I want to search the weather. This is weather app and more weather options from web browsers. So the next option is multiple desktop, 3D desktops. You can add multiple desktop and work simultaneously. This is my by default desktop. The next new option is chat. Microsoft is going to replace with Skype. You can create your login in chat and you can chat with colleagues, and you can create your own group for chat mode. So this is completely new app for you. So as you are looking, the next option is notification panel. We are going to explore the notification panel. So in right side, the tray icon has multiple options for you, the new icons. At the right corner, you can go into desktop. Now this is your notifications mode. Going again. Now the more amazing and completely change its notification. You can dismiss, you can check your notifications here about your calendar, security. So this is the latest notification panel. You can go into quiet mode also. Further we will learn about notifications silencing. Next, fourth option is Android apps in Microsoft Store. Microsoft is going to customize its operating system and designing for mobile devices and personal digital assistants as well as for PCs. So you can enjoy and sync your mobile devices with your PCs. So Microsoft has upgraded its Microsoft Store, which has millions of apps for you. You can download and enjoy these apps and games. So this is Microsoft Store. You have your own home. Microsoft has also linked Android Play Store, so you can have your Android apps on your PC. Like these are top free apps for you. You can have your multiple Android and mobile apps on your PCs. So you can have these are mobile apps. You can download and install and enjoy these apps as well as on your mobile phone. There are millions of apps which are available on your Microsoft Store. So the next option is very amazing smart clipboard, which is new in Windows 11. Like I want to copy this text, so going into clipboard with window plus V key. So I have copied windows and multiple copies items here. Moreover, you have an amazing emoji option. You can use it for recent used emojis, smileys. You can have multiple stickers here. You can use it. So this is amazing clipboard. The next option is power hogs removal. Most of the time on your mobile devices and laptop, you are running out of power mode. You need to save your power. So you need this power hogs removal mode, so you can restrict multiple apps which are consuming your power. Going into setting, power and battery. This is your statistics for battery usage. So I have best power efficiency mode. You can check for battery saving, battery usage mode. Now these are the apps which are using power in your system. You can restrict, like I have no need for Microsoft Team. Manage background activity. You can restrict, you can stop this app for using your power consumption. Now these are multiple options for your apps. Power optimize, yes, never. Now this will not use any power and this will stop using in background. Now this Microsoft Team app will not use any further power. In this way you can restrict multiple apps which are in your system, so they are restricted for using power. Next option is clean up your junk storage. This is also an amazing option. Most of the time you are out of storage, you need more storage and space for your compulsory apps and softwares. Go into settings, here is storage mode. Windows by default cleaning your junk file and raw storage. Here is cleanup recommendations. Now this is collecting temporary file, large or unused file space, sync to the cloud. This will calculate automatically, this will take some time. I have no files to clean in unused or large files, sync to the cloud. Unused apps I will check. I have used apps for my PC. Now 42 MB downloads and 77 KB in recycle bin, I can clean them up. This is a complete cleanup storage which is 42 MB. In this way you can Clean up the app's data and junk files to allocate more space for your compulsory apps. The eighth and final option is Focus Assistant mode. If you have called a meeting with your employees or you want to play a game with no disturbance and no interruption, or you want to do some projects with peace of mind, so you need option Focus Assistant mode. In this mode you will not receive any notification from any app and you can work completely with focusing mode. We will review some more options for your interest. In quick launch menu, this is airplane mode, like no disturbance mode, battery saver mode, night mode, very amazing. This will go into low power consumption and low eye catching colors. Accessibility on your, you can magnify color filters, you can filter colors like this one, narrators, mono audio, sticky keys. So these are the multiple options you can customize and also use it. Alarm only. Now this is Focus Assistant mode. We will go into setting for further customization of this mode. The eighth and final option is Focus Assistant mode. If you have called a meeting with your employees or you want to play a game with no disturbance and no interruption, or you want to do some projects with peace of mind, so you need option Focus Assistant mode. In this mode you will not receive any notification from any app and you can work completely with focusing mode. We will review some more options for your interest. In quick launch menu, this is airplane mode, like no disturbance mode, battery saver mode, night mode, very amazing. This will go into low power consumption and low eye catching colors. Accessibility on your, you can magnify color filters, you can filter colors like this one, narrators, mono audio, sticky keys. So these are the multiple options you can customize and also use it. Alarm only. Now this is Focus Assistant mode. We will go into setting for further customization of this mode. Get all notifications from your app off. This will off completely, 100% notifications will be in silent mode, priority only. You can see the prior notifications from prior apps. Alarms only, this will allow you to listen only alarms, else all notifications will be in shutting down mode.